welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a tutorial and review on the... Sorry, there's just a loud crashing noise upstairs. My house is haunted. Stuff happens. This is the Cosmic Brushes Serenity palette, and I've already used this palette once, and oh my goodness, she is stunning. Like, just look at this. Let me just try and, like, oh my gosh. I also got the, I think it's called the Royal Rose palette as well, so I'll be filming with that tomorrow. And also that Scooby-Doo highlighter palette that I keep forgetting to use, which this is holographic. I actually had the Creeps and Crawls palette, and I thought that was the holographic one. In my video I did for that, I was like holding it up being like, oh, look at this. Actually, it was maybe the video for the Ruh-Roh Raggy palette, and I was just showing the other one. But anyway, I forgot on accident to put highlighter on today, so we're just gonna use this to use it. And I'm gonna go in, here's what the inside of this looks like with this shade right here, because it's the more pink toned one. So we're just gonna kind of go in with that, and ooh, yes, that's pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And on another note, you guys, the video that I did film for the Scooby-Doo Creeps and Crawls palette, I just kind of been going through it, and that went up last night, and I just seriously just want to take a second and say thank you to everyone who just reached out to check on me, to offer just some words of encouragement and just support. That means so much to me. I have somehow been lucky enough to meet some just amazing, incredible people through YouTube and Instagram, and just thank you so much for just being amazing, amazing people. And I just, if you're going through it, like, my heart goes out to you. I'm sending you so much love and good vibes. Hopefully one day things will get better. And okay, I try not to blab too much, so let's go ahead and get in with this Cosmic Brushes Serenity palette. Oh, and one more thing. In that video, I was just out of it. I called my husband my boyfriend. So just in case there's any confusion, I don't have a husband and a boyfriend. Just a husband who at one time was my boyfriend, and I was just having a day, and it was funny because as I was filming the video, I'm like, wait, did I say boyfriend? But then I guess I forgot to say in case I said this, whatever. So yeah, not a boyfriend and a husband, just a husband. Just in case there's any confusion. So let's go ahead, and I just made a mess. I was trying to do better about keeping the brushes that I needed, like, stacked up in one place, so I'm not constantly looking down trying to grab them, and I just spilled them all over the place. So, you guys, I'm making such a mess right now. It's probably better that I look down to try and find the brushes, because what in the world am I doing right now? I'm going to do a blue look because we're going to a wedding tonight, and my dress is navy blue, and I think my husband's wearing like navy blue pants or whatever. So just kind of want to match a little bit. So I was trying to figure out what shade do I want to go with to start out with, because I don't want to do too light of a shade, you know. And this palette, there's a couple lighter tone shades, but I think I'm just going to start with this right here. It's like a green brown shade. It's called Earth. I don't know why I just didn't say the shade name to begin with, but we're just going to gently start out with this. And when I say gently, you guys, this is like, these Cosmic Brushes palettes are possibly the most pigmented eyeshadows I've ever used. Like, holy crap, go slow. Which is a good thing. And they blend out beautifully, but they just do not play. Like, they, yeah, they are super, super pigmented. Just absolutely beautiful. So just go in, like, I just barely, like, touched my brush into that shade, and you can see how much pigment it's giving off. It's crazy. I keep hearing weird noises upstairs. Like, I thought my husband was taking a shower, but I don't think, like, the upstairs makes noises like that when you're in the shower, so I don't know. Okay. But yeah, again, just a little tap into the shades, blend it out, and then, you know, build it up as needed, but these are just super, super pigmented. I'm going extra soft because I don't want anything too crazy, you know. Just a little. And then I'll go back and blend it out a little more in the end once I get the outer corner shade added. And then whatever I'm going to do with the inner corner. Yeah, I am super impressed with both the palettes that I have. I hope the Cosmic Brushes will be coming out with more palettes in the future because they are just beautiful. And they're extremely affordable as well. I know some indie brands, their palettes are just crazy. But I think these were like 25 bucks a piece. So yeah, just awesome, awesome, amazing, beautiful. I love it. All right. Now we are gonna go in with, oh, and also I was trying to decide, do I want to do a halo eye or what? So let's just see where this takes us. We're going to start with the shade Mood right here for the outer corner. And then we'll see where we go from there. Just trying to tap off the brush pretty good to make sure that I don't get a lot of fallout. I'm still waiting for my Shop Miss A order where I ordered some new brushes because I would love to be using those right now, but I feel like I placed it like a week or two ago and I still don't have my order. It's supposed to be out for delivery today, but my mail comes super late in the day, so I with the wedding and everything, I could not wait that late to do my makeup, so just using my old brushes, which is fine. I was excited to get some new brushes. You know, when you're like a makeup lover, it's the little things that, you know, they get you excited. It's always good to get some new brushes. Still trying to decide, do I want to do that halo eye? Do I want to take it there or just do something a little easier? I'm just not really sure what I want to do. Because like if I did the halo eye, I think I was going to do like gold in the center. I kind of went a little too far for this, but I feel like I can still put gold over it. I don't think I've done a halo eye look in a couple videos. It's been a while. I don't know. Is that what I want to do? Guys, I need to, let's do it. Let's just do it. Hope this doesn't end up being too much. Just gently kind of connecting this right here. Okay. All right. Just need to sit this down for a second. And now I am going to need to make sure this is somewhat clean. We're going to go in with this gold shade, which is Odyssey right here. Just looks absolutely gorgeous. And the mattes and the shimmers, I've just been impressed with both equally, which is a lot for me because I sort of put this with my finger to kind of build it up a little more, where I went in a little too much with that navy shade. Because you know, I am the glitter queen, but these matte shades are just equally as impressive. So yeah, if you have not picked one of these palettes up, you gotta get at least one, both if you can, because the Real Rose palette is just equally as gorgeous. And I'm going to be filming with that tomorrow. Just really, really excited. I mean, I would say probably my top 3 brands for palettes would be Beauty Bay, Odin's Eye, and now we are adding Cosmic Brushes into the mix. So these are stunning. Sorry, there's like something, like a little hair in my nose, like on my nose. Okay, this is looking really, really pretty. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. Shit. Guys, knocking the brushes all over creation right now. Okay, I just kind of want to go ahead and just blend everything out. There's not really anything on this brush. I just kind of want to use it to blend everything together a little bit. Okay. Now, I do want to go back and I'm just having to put these brushes down. What my plan was not working out. I do want to define that blue a little bit more, just on the outer corners of both eyes. Just a little bit. Okay. Alright, so now I need to do the lower lash line, which I don't want to do anything too crazy. Famous last words. I'm going to feel like I need to do something blue. Let's go in with the shade River, which is the shade right here. Whoa, that was like a lot. I'm not sure if you guys could pick that up, but so much just went flying off the brush when I did that. Okay, now I feel like I want to go in with a little more gold on this eye. I just feel like it's just needing a little more. Okay, now I just love how it looks. It's like I don't want to stop, but I need to. So let's do that inner corner highlight, and I think we're going to go with this blue shade. My brush won't be still, so let's just, this blue shade right here. No, right here. Sorry, y'all. It's hard to point and, like, look at the camera. Okay. Let's just highlight that up a little bit. She pretty, pretty. Alright. Now I am going to go throw on some mascara, and I will be right back with that finished look. And by right back, I mean it'll probably take me a couple minutes, but you guys won't know that because that part's going to be cut out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and this is the finished look. And it is with the Cosmic Brushes Serenity palette. Here's what the inside of this palette looks like. And again, you guys, this is one of the best formulas that I have ever worked with. So I highly suggest, if you can, snag at least one of their brushes. And Cosmic Brushes, if you see this, please, we need more palettes. I'm an eyeshadow palette kind of girl, and these are phenomenal. So please, please bless us with some new palettes in the upcoming new year, and I will be extremely, extremely happy. So thank y'all so much just for being amazing, for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel, for giving this video a thumbs up, for commenting. Just, it means the world to me. Thank you so much. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're going through a rough time, like, man, I'm just sending you so much love, good vibes. Hang in there if you need to vent. Like, I'm here. Hit me up on Instagram. And yeah, I hope everyone is doing well. Please stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.